Hey there everybody, it's Nuoance. Sorry for the low mic quality. I just found out that my microphone broke, so I guess I know where my Christmas money's going to. But today we are doing a tutorial on how I get my Roxy voice in my TikToks. This is a completely free tutorial. You don't need to buy anything. The one thing is that this is only for post recording, so these are for voice work, videos, etc. This is not for live streaming, which is more of using a voice mod or something like that. So if you're looking for voice mods, this is the wrong place. So to start out, I'm going to let you listen real quick to the original audio before I edit it, so you know that it's edited.
Oh, there's a water bottle on my back!
So pretty simple. So there are actually two ways to do it. You can either do it here in the edit area or the Farlight tab. I use Farlight because for some reason edit just gives me issues. I don't know why. Click on effects library, audio effects, and you want this one. Drag it on. Go from default to robo voice, and that's the first step. Pretty easy. You click play.
Oh, there's a water bottle on my back!
So now you sound very robotic, but obviously that's a little too robotic. So it sounds really weird backwards. So all you have to do is move the rate, change it. I usually do around like 120, but let's just do 111 as the example.
Oh, there's a water bottle on my back!
And there you go. It's pretty easy. It'll make things much simpler. You can move it more if you wanted it more.
Hi. Oh, there's a water bottle on my back!
You get the point. That's pretty much it. Hope this tutorial helped. If you came here from TikTok, if you would think about leaving a subscribe and a like, that'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you all so much. Have a fantastic day and drink plenty of water.